Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply custom image to always on display screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. And this tutorial is specifically for a Samsung Galaxy phone which has always on display feature. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And after that, we have to go to the lock screen setting and click on this lock screen setting, and here we have to click on always on display. Make sure that we activate this always on display feature and click on it. And if we want to apply custom image, we have to click on clock style. Okay, and here we can click on image clock, and we have some options right here. We have stickers, AR emoji, Bitmoji, gallery, and themes. And for instance, I'm going to apply image from my gallery. So I'm going to click on gallery and click on, just going to click on just once. And then we have to select a photo or image from our gallery that we want to apply to always on display screen. I'm going to click on this folder, and for instance, I'm just going to apply this one. Okay, and this is the preview, and after that we just need to click on done. Alright, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the always on display screen. I'm going to lock my screen, and this is my always on display screen. And I guess that's how we can apply custom image to always on display screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.